Today we're going to talk about how to sell membership and subscriptions on your Joomla site with Gridbox. Selling membership, it's a great way to monetize your site content. New York Times, Politico, National Geographic and tons of other online newspapers use memberships on their sites. As an example, we will take a news website created using Gridbox. Our goal will be to add membership and subscriptions functionality to this site and configure specific posts to make them available only for paid subscribers. Joomla user groups and access levels. First of all, we need to create a user group and access level for our paid subscribers. Navigate to the Joomla admin panel. From the sidebar, navigate to Users Groups. Click on the button New to create a new group. Enter the group title. I will use Subscribers. From the next field, Group Parent, select Registered, and click on the button Save and Close. Now we need to create an access level for our group. From the sidebar, navigate to Access Levels. Click on the button New from the toolbar. Enter title. I will use the same as for user group, Subscribers. Navigate to the next tab and assign previously created user group subscribers to our access level. And click on the button Save and Close. Creating subscriptions. Okay, now we need to install the Gridbox e-commerce app. Navigate to Gridbox. From the sidebar, click Apps. Click on the button Add New Item and select Store. Perfect, e-commerce installed. Now, navigate to Products. Let's rename our category to Subscriptions. Using right-click, open Category Settings and replace Title. I will delete the value from the alias field. In this case, an alias will be generated automatically from the title, and click the button Save. Typically, a subscription product does not have a separate page like a standard physical product with product pictures. Usually, it's a page with pricing tables. So, to make everything absolutely clear, I will open the product single post layout and delete all content with all custom fields. And save our changes. It's time to create our subscriptions. As an example, we will offer 2 subscription plans, Silver for 6 months and Gold for a year. To create a subscription, select Category and click on the icon, Add New Item, and select Product Type, Subscription. Enter subscription title, Gold Subscription, and the next button. Enter the subscription price, let it be €100. Subscription length, 1 year. And subscription action, select Access to Joomla user group. And in the next field, select our group, Subscribers. Also, we can enter a renewal plan. Renewal length 1 year. Renewal price €100. Next field allows you to automatically send subscription renewal reminders. Okay, our product is ready. Save the product and make a copy. Rename product to Silver Subscription. Delete alias. Change product status to Published. Change the price to €80. Subscription length, change to 6 months. Renewal plan, 6 months. Change price to €80. Here is an interesting thing. Since Silver it's a lower plan, we can propose to upgrade to a higher plan. In the field Upgrade Plans, select Gold. And the user will be able to migrate to a higher plan from his account. Okay, save the product by clicking Save and Close. Our products are ready and we can move to the next step. Pricing table. I have already created a subscribe page with a simple pricing table. It's a standard Gridbox page. Pricing table created using basic page plugins, text, feature box, and button. Our goal is to assign created subscriptions to subscribe buttons. But before that, we need to add a shopping cart to the site. For that, anywhere on the page add a plugin cart. And after that, in plugin settings, select the sidebar layout for the cart, and hide the cart on all devices. Usually, a shopping cart is a part of a site selling physical products. To find added cart on the page, just click on the icon, Show Hidden Elements. Okay, now let's assign our subscription to buttons. Click on the button to open settings. In the link options, click on the icon, Add to Cart, and select Silver Subscription. And the same for the Gold subscription. Click on the button to open settings, click on the icon Add to Cart and select Gold subscription from the list. Save the page and let's try to make a purchase. Checkout page. Let's configure the checkout page. As you can see, in the Gridbox, the checkout page has the same editor as any other page and you can configure it as you need. First of all, I think it is necessary to add a page title. I will copy from the subscription page. And now using drag and drop, move the copied row with the headline to the top. Let's replace headline text to Checkout page. And open row settings to add margin bottom 100 pixels. Now moving to Checkout form, click to open form settings. As you can see, the checkout form is fully customizable. You can add new fields. You can change fields ordering. Or you can delete fields. You have full control over the checkout form. I will leave all fields as it is, but will change fields design to fit the website design style. Navigate to tab Design. From the drop-down select Headline, and I will change font family. Now, let's change fields design. Select fields from the drop-down. Scroll to background options. I will make it white. Perfect. Save the page. If you open the site in the browser incognito mode as a site visitor and try to purchase a subscription, on the next step you will find a login form with a guest checkout. Since we are selling subscriptions, user registration is important, and we need to disable guest checkout. For that, navigate to the Gridbox dashboard. From the sidebar select Store Settings. In General Settings, scroll down to Login Options and disable Guest Checkout. Don't forget to save by clicking on the icon Save. Just a few words about payment methods. In the Gridbox, payment methods you will find in Store Settings. From the sidebar, move to Payment Methods. To add a payment method, click on the icon Add New Item. Here you can see a wide range of payment gateways. You should know. If you want to automate the purchasing process, you should use only online payment gateways, like a PayPal, Molly, Klarna, and all others available in the list. Using manual payments or manual bank transfers, this is not the best solution for selling memberships. To add a payment gateway, just click on it. After that, fill in all required fields and click the Save button. After that, the added payment gateways will be available on the checkout page. Editing the Thank You page. Thank You page you will find in the Gridbox system pages. As you can see, it's a standard page with all available Gridbox features and plugins. You can edit everything here. First of all, I'll delete this icon. Since we are selling subscriptions and orders are confirmed automatically, After successful payment, this text does not suit us, let's replace it. And it would be great to add a button below. I will copy the button from the site header and place it here. In the button settings, change the label to Sign In. And add margin top 50 pixels in the layout options. Okay, now it's much better. Don't forget to save the page. Adding user accounts. To add a user account on site, we need to create a new menu item. From the Joomla admin panel, navigate to Menu and add a new menu item. For the title, I will use User Account. Menu item type. Select Gridbox and User Account. After that, save and close. Now, I will open the home page in the editor. As you can see, here is a sign-in button. I will make it visible only for guest users. Open Button Settings, Option, View, and select Guest. After that, I will make a copy and will work with the copy. Label replace to My Account. Using the link picker, select Created Menu Item and in View Options select Registered. So, we have configured that the sign-in button is displaying only for non-logged users, and My Account button is displaying only for logged-in users. Okay, now let's visit the user account. Here you can see orders history and user subscription with an ability to renew and change the plan. Displaying premium content. We have done a great job. At the moment, if the user makes a purchase, he will automatically be assigned to the Joomla user group subscribers. And now the last step, we need to configure displaying specific articles only for our paid users. Basically, we could just open any article and in Publishing Options, set Access, Subscribers. After that, our article will be visible only for paid subscribers. Simply, fast, but not perfect. As a minimum, this article will not be visible to search engines. It's a bad impact for search engine optimization. And our potential subscribers will not know about this article. As a site owner, we need to interest them to buy a subscription. In this case, the best solution will be to hide not the whole page. We need to hide content inside the article. Add a new one-column section inside. Move the section to the top. In the section options, remove paddings. Copy intro text from the original section and add above using plugin text. And delete default margins from the plugin text. Now, let's add a block notification. Add a new one-column row. In the row layout options, set margin top and bottom 50 pixels and 50 pixels for paddings. Enable borders. Add plugin image. And plugin text below. Change text to subscribe to continue reading. And I will change heading to heading 4. And the last thing with a notification, let's add a button with a link to the pricing table page. I will copy from the header and paste. Now, for our section with a whole page content, set access rights, subscribers. And for the new section, select guest access rights. Save the page and let's check. Now, I'm watching the page as a subscriber and I see the whole content. And here is in the browser incognito mode, I watch the page as a visitor. I see only intro text and notification with a call to action. Also, I recommend saving this section to the library as a global item. So, now we can easily add our notification to any article. Just open any article, add a section from the library, replace intro text, and set permissions for the section with a main content. That's it, everything is ready. Now you know how to configure the Gridbox-based Joomla site to start earning by selling premium content. We showed real practice. We hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new video tutorials.